And now we're going to make sure that our SF10 and SF9 are matched. I'm going to show you how. First is, we input the grades in the SF10. Then, for the second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Now you notice that on MOPE, it's computed already for the final rating. All we need to do is copy the cell and paste it on all cells. And then also copy, paste, and paste on all cells. Then 86 is promoted. We write promoted and leave blank music, arts, PE, and health. Now we have our SF10 complete. Next, we highlight from first quarter to final rating and copy to our Form 9, Form 1 to 8. Highlight also these cells and paste. We format it back to its original Calibri, bold, and 9. Next, we write the descriptive grades. For 86, we have P, then 83 is AP, 86 is P, 90 is A, 85 is P, and 88 P. And for the remarks, copy all in the Form 10. Copy, then paste. The final grade is 86. And promoted. That's it. Our SF10 and SF9 are now matched.